Hi lovelies, you're all welcome to the delicious kitchen. Lovelies, I brought you the super delicious new way to cook your beans and yam porridge. This one na ogbonge. You must try this and I know you're gonna love it. Lovelies, don't let me talk much. Let's dive into it. What I have here is my boiled water I'll be using today. I've already parboiled my beans by boiling it for 2 minutes. Drain the water, rinse it, and that is what I'm pouring into this boiled water now to start cooking. Okay, parboiling helps to reduce the contaminants and enhance the taste. So it's now time to add diced onion into it. I'm going to add half of the onions I'll be using for cooking these beans. I added half of it from the start. Okay, now I cover it and allow it to cook. While that is cooking, let's prep the yam. This yam is already peeled and sliced and washed, so I'm just preparing it now for cooking of the beans. This size is super okay, so that's how I'm going to dice them all. I'll be using this opportunity to say thank you so much to you all my subscribers, my returning subscribers. Thank you all so much for your comments, for liking my videos. Thank you so much for sharing my videos. God bless you all. They mean a world to me. Thank you so much. If you're a newcomer here, please remember to subscribe. Join this channel. We are good food lovers here. Yes, cook your food delicious way and you will love them. Let's go and check the beans now. Yes, it's now time to check the beans by taking one or two and crush it with your fingers just like this. Once it is easy to do that, then it means it's now time to add the yam into it because the beans is almost done. After adding the beans, I will add the rest of the onions into it. Then it's now time to add this ogbonge cow skin, Ponmo and beef. This combo, omo, cook your beans you'll be cooking next time this way and thank me later. I'll be adding chili flakes. If you have habanero pepper, add it into it. Make it a little bit spicy. Add your seasoning. After that, add your salt into it to your taste. And if you have pepper mix like paprika and tomatoes, add it into it. You will love the color it will give you. And I'll be adding palm oil. This recipe is also good for vegetable oil, no problem. But I'm using palm oil, alright? I added some water and after that, I gave it just a gentle mix just for them to know themselves. Okay. Have you liked the video already? Thank you for doing so. Please leave a comment. Let me know where you're watching me from. I would like to give you a shout out next time. Now cover and cook till dawn. Tra-la-la. Lovely. This aroma here with a combo of what we are cooking together. This one says it all. It's a special yam, beans, assorted meat porridge. Let's put it that way. We've just created a new one here and this is a must try for everyone. So taste for seasoning and adjust to your taste. Lovelies, give this a try and let me know how much you enjoy this. Serve your visitors this, they will love it. Thanks for watching.